In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently capture screenshots using Sharex, a powerful screen capture tool that simplifies your screenshot needs. Whether you're new to Sharex or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essentials of taking, editing, and managing your screen captures. Let's dive in by opening Sharex. You'll find it running in your system tray, ready for action. Once Sharex is open, capturing your screen is just a press of a button away. For most users, you'll simply need to press the Print Screen key. This key is often configured as the default hotkey for a full screen capture. But remember that you or someone else may have set a different hotkey, so give it a test if this doesn't work. If you're looking for something more specific than a full screen capture, Sharex gives you options. To access these, click on the Sharex icon in your system tray. This brings up the menu, where you want to navigate to the capture option. Here, you'll see different choices like region, window, and full screen. Pick the option that best suits your needs. Selecting region allows you to manually draw a box around the part of the screen you want to capture, giving you flexibility if you're only interested in a particular segment of your display. Choosing Window lets you capture a specific open window, which is particularly handy if you're working with multiple applications and only need data from one. And of course, Full Screen does just that. It captures everything visible on your entire display. Once your screenshot is taken, what happens next depends on your Sharex settings. Sometimes, the image pops up in Sharex's image editor. This is a great feature if you need to annotate or highlight parts of the screenshot quickly. You can access a variety of editing tools here, allowing you to draw, add text, or even blur out sensitive information. If you're in a hurry or have specific preferences set, your image might just be saved directly to your designated folder or instantly uploaded to a cloud service. This automated process can save you time, especially in workflows that require you to share or store images regularly. After capturing, you have several options regarding what to do with your screenshot. You can annotate or edit it using the image editor, which helps emphasize or explain elements for presentations or reports. You can also copy it to your clipboard, which is perfect for pasting into an email or document. Alternatively, Sharex allows you to upload it directly to various online platforms, simplifying the process if your intention is to share it online. There you have it. With these simple steps in Sharex, capturing, editing, and sharing screenshots becomes efficient and seamless. Keep these instructions handy, explore the features, and you'll be a pro at screen capturing in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy capturing.